Hi, my name is Bayram Barlas. I'm chef and owner of this restaurant, Anatolia Grill Restaurant. 10 years ago, we started restaurant business in Lithuania. The main idea was to find traditional Turkish dishes here, and we saw clients nowadays. They became clients, our friends also, requiring to find similar taste here. So we decided to open this restaurant, and nowadays you can find main traditional foods, Turkish foods here, like kebab, cacık, baklava, even a Turkish coffee here, and more. Majority of clients nowadays here, Lithuanian clients. Of course, they've been in Turkey, they travel to Turkey for vacation, they know what's Turkish food. By the time they are telling their friends, and clients are increasing day by day. Currently we have Lithuanian workers and Turkish workers here, and I would like to teach more Lithuanian workers this job to open maybe a second or third restaurant in Lithuania. Everything is going well, and we wish to see more clients here.